Alright, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go over how to trade meme coins and do it safely. First thing you're going to want to do is download Phantom, which is this purple ghost app. It's going to ask for some personal identification, your social security. It's a trusted site, so go ahead and put in that information. Another app you're going to want to download is Crypto.com, or you can download Coinbase, and the reason for that is because for Phantom and trading meme coins, you're going to have to buy Solana, which is a cryptocurrency, in order to trade your meme coins. Let's open up Phantom real quick and we'll go back. So in order to trade your meme coins, say you want to go get Rismas and you want to swap, basically you're swapping cryptocurrencies. So you're going to pay Solana for Rismas and you can put in an amount and it'll do it. There's going to be a small fee taken out, but hopefully you guys are doing some good trades and the tiny fee that they take out isn't going to impact too much. A little heads up though, when you do trade Solana for these meme coins, it does take out a small fee from your Solana balance. So if you have $100 in your Solana wallet, don't go putting $100, the full wallet, into Rismas, because if you want to cash out Rismas when it hits a peak, you can't do it because you need a little bit of Solana to withdraw that balance from Rismas back to Solana. So that's just a little keynote while you're trading, because I know people get discouraged, they can't cash out because they don't have enough Solana in order to cash out when a crypto hits a peak. But Phantom's a really good app. A lot of people use it for trading these meme coins. At the bottom right here, you can see all the trending tokens going on. The reason you have to download Coinbase or Crypto.com is because when you're done trading meme coins and you want to cash out your Solana balance, you're able to go into Solana, you can send it out, and then you have to put in your wallet address in order to send it out. And I like using Crypto.com because they support Solana, so you're able to easily just exchange it there. That's a good app. Another great app to use is Dex Screener. So Dex Screener shows you the charting and live trades that are happening. So you can go to a bunch of different coins and you can see real live trading. So people are buying this for $47, $3. Someone just sold $43 worth. You can even see their address, their wallet address. So you can kind of see who's doing it. You can even see the top traders. So it's a very beneficial tool because they pretty much have every meme coin. So you can keep up to date with what's happening. I do recommend you find some Telegram groups. So right now I'm in a pretty big Telegram group with 21,000 subscribers. And it's basically just one guy operating it, and he's basically telling you plays to make. So everyone can drive up a market on a certain coin, and you want to cash out when it hits a pretty high peak. You want to try to double, 4x, 5x, 10x your initial investment. So I definitely recommend keeping up with the trends, finding some good Telegrams or Discords that are talking about up and coming meme coins. But overall, these are the three main apps I would download if you're trying to get into trading meme coins: Phantom, Crypto.com, and Dex Screener. I hope this helps. If anyone has any questions, leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed the video and it helped out in any way, leave a like, subscribe, follow, and I appreciate you guys. Thanks.